welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be going over a full introduction of the Python programming language. Let's get started. So this is a full introduction to the Python programming language. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, what is Python used for? So Python can be used for web development, specifically server-based, software development, mathematics, which is basically computing super complex mathematical problems, and system scripting, which is basically used to build automated processes. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. So what I mean by can connect to database systems is it can connect, if you code on PyCharm, it can connect to SQLite, which is a database software. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematical problems, like I said on the last slide. And Python can also be used for rapid phototyping. So what phototyping is, it's basically a iterative process that basically uses Python to design and model and predict how a website or application will look in order to get like user feedback. So why you should use Python? Python works on many different platforms such as Mac, Linux, and Windows. Python has simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines when compared to other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that phototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python can be used in many different ways. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has many similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages which often uses semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. A good thing about Python is that it does the indentations automatically when you click enter. That's it for the brief overview of the Python programming languages. This is my second video to my playlist. Please continue watching all the videos throughout the playlist and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.